this is how I use Reddit to find pain points that my customers have. Let's say, I mean, they make money niche. So this is my Reddit app. So I'll just come to the search bar like this, type make money online. All right. So it pops up. You can see make money with AI. Just pick anyone. Let's say I want to find um a Reddit or subreddit that shares ideas about it. So these are posts people have made, but then I want to filter communities I can join. So I can join the conversation. Can you see this particular community has 687 members? You can look at the ones that have high numbers. All right, so this one has 186k members. I think I will join that one now. As soon as I join that one, all right, so I can visit the subreddit. So as soon as I open it, you can just come to this place written best post. All right, click on the drop down. You can see you filter either best, hot, new, top, controversial and rising post. All right, so I want to filter the new ones. I want to see the latest posts that were made today or within the last few days. So as you can see, these are questions people are asking. All right, so you can decide to, so someone is asking, how do people make money with AI? So I open it. All right, so I read the question. So as for me now, I can pick up this question that someone has asked here and go to Facebook and say 10 ways to make money with AI. You see, that particular post will be solving a whole lot of problems for people. So I go through the comment section. These are comments. Okay, as you scroll down, you can see people's comments. You can see upvotes. All right, this 14 here is upvotes. As you can see, this is 5. People are upvoting. That means they are liking it. So on Facebook, we call it like, all right, or love. But here on Reddit, it is upvotes. All right, so people, this person said, tried it. ChatGPT said, I am an AI. Just read it. You can see what people are talking about. From what they are talking about, you can also get ideas on subsequent content ideas to make posts about or make content about. All right, so this is just how to use Reddit to find unlimited content ideas you can do daily. So if you do this every single day, believe you me, you will create content that are not just entertaining people, but solving pain points, solving people's problem, and they are going to see you as a go-to person. They will see you as someone to associate with and also learn from. All right, so you don't need to copy any post. Just pick the topic, pick the question, write in your own words, write with your own experience, share your own ideas, so that you become authentic and genuine. Because when you copy people's posts, you are not showing an example, you're just a mediocre. So it's not good to copy someone's post because you're going to run into plagiarism. So that's just it. I hope this video helps you.